Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today we're diving into something truly special and rather unconventional from BMW, the 2026 BMW Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right, BMW has entered the world of motorhomes, and what they've created is nothing short of remarkable. This isn't just about building a camper, this is BMW blending luxury automotive design, German engineering, and smart living solutions into a single mobile masterpiece. At first glance, the exterior of the BMW Motorhome 2026 demands attention. The design language is unmistakably BMW, with its bold kidney grille reinterpreted for a larger vehicle, sleek LED lighting signatures that mirror the brand's premium sedans and SUVs, and a muscular yet aerodynamic silhouette that stands out. On the highway, the use of lightweight materials like aluminum and reinforced composites means this motorhome is big yet not unnecessarily bulky. The sculpted body lines reduce drag, while the panoramic side windows allow natural light to flood the interior. The motorhome sits on large, stylish alloy wheels with a suspension system designed not just for highways, but for rugged roads too, making this a luxury home on wheels that doesn't shy away from adventure. Step inside, and the BMW Motorhome 2026 immediately feels more like a luxury apartment than a camper van. BMW has combined minimalistic design with high-end materials, think fine leather seating, brushed aluminum trim, real wood finishes, and ambient lighting that can be customized to match your mood. The driver's cockpit is unmistakably BMW, with a digital curved display that integrates navigation, entertainment, and advanced driver assistance systems. The steering wheel and controls feel familiar to anyone who has driven a BMW SUV, which is a clever touch to maintain that brand identity even in such a unique vehicle. Behind the driver's cabin, the living space opens up to a modern lounge that can convert into a dining or sleeping area. The seats are plush and ergonomically designed, with smart folding mechanisms to maximize space. A fully equipped kitchenette sits on one side, complete with an induction cooktop, fridge, and smart storage solutions that prevent clutter while on the move. Opposite the kitchen is a compact yet luxurious bathroom, featuring a rainfall shower and high-quality fixtures. At the rear, a dedicated bedroom space offers a queen-size bed with memory foam mattress and climate control for a hotel-like sleeping experience. Every corner of the interior has been thought out with precision, giving owners the ability to travel long distances without ever feeling like they've left the comfort of home. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where BMW has gone above and beyond. The Motorhome 2026 isn't just about looks and luxury, it's built on an advanced hybrid powertrain that combines a turbocharged 6-cylinder engine with a high-capacity electric motor. This gives the motorhome impressive power for its size, smooth acceleration, and a surprisingly quiet ride. The hybrid system also means you can switch to full electric mode for city driving or eco-sensitive areas, with a range of up to 80 miles. On battery power alone, long-distance travelers benefit from excellent fuel efficiency compared to traditional motorhomes, and regenerative braking further maximizes energy use. Handling is refined and far more car-like than you'd expect in a motorhome of this size, thanks to adaptive suspension and precise steering. Safety is also a priority, with advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and even semi-autonomous highway driving modes. Finally, let's address the price. The BMW Motorhome 2026 is not cheap, and it was never meant to be. BMW is targeting a niche market of luxury travelers who want the freedom of the open road without sacrificing comfort or prestige. Starting prices are expected around $220,000, with higher trims and customization options pushing that closer to $300,000.